The head and the beginning. Good morning, family. Colossians chapter 1 verse 18 says, He is the head of the body, the church, the beginning, the firstborn from the dead, that in all things he might have the permanence. Now think about this. Why did Paul connect head and beginning? The reason why is because leadership flows from life. Jesus is not just a leader we elected. He is the source of our new life. See, the word beginning, it means origin, the starting point. When Christ rose from the dead, he didn't just come back to life. He launched a new creation, a new humanity, a new future. And because he defeated death, he has the right to direct the body. So you see, a body cannot function without the head. If the body moves without the head, it collapses into chaos. Friends, the church loses direction when it stops listening to Christ. A Christian loses power when disconnected from the one who gives life. Here's the key. He is head because he is the beginning. His resurrection established his authority. His victory secures his leadership. His life sustains our life. So the question is simple. Is Christ truly directing your decisions? Or are you just trying to function spiritually without listening to the head? See, when we stay connected to him, we don't just exist, we live. And when Christ has permanence, everything else finds its proper place. God bless.